The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich, 11:14 here on this Wednesday evening. Hope everybody had a great day. You'll notice that skies for the most part are fair until you get into our far southeasternmost counties where we have a little more cloud cover, but looks like it's going to be a pretty quiet night for us. We've had a couple of showers over the last about 3 to 4 hours across parts of Halifax County. Basically, areas south of South Boston have gotten a little bit wet. Outside of that, it's been a very quiet evening. Future tracker showing overnight tonight looking dry. We're going to have skies partly cloudy, which means we're going to start out tomorrow 7 a.m. with some sunshine. However, going into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to start to cloud things up. May start to have a couple of showers as soon as about 1, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But it's really as we head closer to 4, 5, 6 o'clock when we start to see some isolated and widely scattered showers pushing in, especially towards the New River Valley. If I were to pick one zone that will be the wettest tomorrow afternoon, say after 3 o'clock, it would be the NRV. Then the rain starts to overspread the region as we get into the evening hours, such that by about midnight, we're going to have passing showers around in many, perhaps not all, but in many of our backyards. Heavy rain then later tomorrow night into the first part of Friday. By Friday, 6, 7, 8, 9 a.m., it is going to be pouring down rain. Friday morning for your morning commute is no doubt going to be wet. Give yourself maybe a little bit extra time heading out the door on Friday. May get a little bit of a break in some of our backyards midday Friday, but another round of showers and thunderstorms will likely move in after about 4 p.m. on Friday and last into the evening. So again, we are looking at Friday being a very, very wet day for us with the best chance for thunderstorms on Friday coming in after about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So how much rain are we getting here from, say, late tomorrow through Friday night into Saturday morning? The answer to that question is about 1 inch to 2.5 inches of rain, okay? So this is going to be a soaker. We're going to pick up on some heavier downpours. Again, 1 inch to 2.5 inches of rain on the way for us here Thursday late day all the way into Friday night. Now, the severe weather threat tomorrow is going to be confined to the Gulf Coast. The severe weather threat on Friday is just going to be to the east of us from eastern Virginia south into Florida. Remember how I told you when we were talking about Future Tracker that we may get a break midday from the rain on Friday. The hope is when we get that break, we don't see any sunshine, because if we do, we will then have the chance for some stronger thunderstorms late Friday afternoon into Friday evening. But if we stay overcast, the threat for severe weather on Friday is very low for us. All right, your weekend forecast showing that we're going to turn drier on Saturday with increasing sunshine. However, Sunday we're going to turn wetter with afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast. So again, as we look at the weekend, the wettest part of the weekend will likely be the second half of Sunday. We're warmer this weekend, temperatures in the 70s, but by early next week, guess what? Temperatures drop again into the 60s. So as we look at very late April into the beginning of May, we're looking at cooler than average weather likely. Now, as we head towards Cinco de Mayo, May 5th, May 6th, May 7th, indications are we're going to warm up at that point. And as we head into the beginning part of May, it looks like we're going to have a chance to dry out. We're wet here Friday and then again late Sunday into Sunday night. By early next week, as we welcome in a new month, we should start to turn drier. Temperatures right now, 51 in Lexington, also Roanoke, 49 Lynchburg, 43 Wytheville, it's 50 in Blacksburg. For tonight, we'll call it partly cloudy. We're cool, 40 to 47. Tomorrow, turning mostly cloudy, some showers late in the day. Highs tomorrow, 60s and lower 70s. Your extended forecast showing 60s on Friday, 70s Saturday, Sunday, back into the 60s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. By early next week again, we will start to dry out after a very wet day Friday, with more scattered showers and thunderstorms Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. Today we forecast 70. Actual high was 68, $10 in the pot, $510 so far raised for the Blacksburg Refugee Partnership.